Pero as a mental health professional, I really have compassion for someone like Sarah, who
Mm.
obviously is showing great amounts of stress. No?
Mm.
Lalo
Mm.
na, since she remains our leader, I really hope that she reaches out and gets help. Siguro, kasi we need our leaders not to be that on the edge. No? So,
Yeah.
so
Mm.
yung deep hurt na parang it's almost a grudge na, at tinatago yun I don't
Mm.
think she'll ever forgive anybody. I don't think they forgive people.
Mm. Mm.
Oo. So that's
Din may question dito.
mm.
Sabi ni Eileen, is there a treatment for such yung kay Sarah, lalo na
Mm.
sa mga sociopaths?
Okay, so hindi ko alam kung may treatment for Sarah kasi I haven't made a diagnosis. Pero
Yeah.
for sociopaths and psychopaths and narcissists na personality disorders, ang personality disorders kasi persistent patterns of behavior
Mm.
that are not very helpful to the person themselves across time and across a range of settings. No?
Mm.
Kaya sa akin, the personality disorders are the most difficult disorders to treat,
Mm.
which is why, again, going back to those psychologists that called against Trump kasi dangerous talaga yung belief nila na he has narcissistic personality disorder. Some say he has psychopathic traits. Uh, their call talaga was please don't put him in power. And many of
Mm.
those who believe uh, that was right will point out yung nangyari nung hindi niya matanggap yung talo niya, nagkaroon ng riots doon sa Washington. Yung mga psychologists were saying, but we predicted that.
Mm. Mm.
Kasi for these types of people also, actually, their self-esteem is so low na kahit konting kibot lang, talagang laban. Kasi ano
Mm.
kailangan i-shield ng matindi. Last part siguro nung mga some things I noticed, pero depende rin sa tanong mo rin, tanong ng nakikinig tsaka sa tanong mo rin. Yung, hindi, dalawa pala. They can say things to get the effect. That's why they're very good liars or they lie without even thinking about it. Kasi if they want a certain effect that they're talking to people face to face or they're building a facade, they will say anything.
Mm.
Kahit hindi totoo, basta it suits their point or it makes them more maganda or pogi, it draws attention to them, they'll say things. No? Kaya marami dun sa reactive points ni Sarah ay ano lang, gusto lang niyang sabihin. No? To
Mm.
the point nga na yung kawawang Amy Marcos, na actually, kung ako, parang kawawa naman hindi naman rin naman kawawa si Amy kasi powerful din siya. Pero kung ako, isipin mo lang kung ginawa sa iyo yun ng BFF mo, no?
Yeah.
Yung ganong klaseng laglagan na medyo medyo si Amy has been, I think, receiving a lot of, I would imagine, no, sa press. I'm not even imagining. Parang maraming nagsasabing, loyal ka kay Sarah, bakit? Di ba?
Mm.
Maraming BBM na galit sa kanya dahil loyal siya kay Sarah. Tapos, alam naman natin na siya yung tumulong dun sa Uniteam na magka-Uniteam at nagkampanyahan naman sila for each other. Ang hirap naman ng ginawa ni Sarah na bigla na lang niyang nilaglag
Nilaglag.
yung gano'n, no? At si that is another pattern of these kinds of personality disorders where transactional
Mm.
ang loyalties, never really real friendship, real loyalty. Parang yung reaction niya kay Risa Ontiveros, 'di ba, nung question yung confidential funds niya
Mm.
na
Mm. Correct.
saka yung paggamit niya ng budget yata sa DepEd na hindi tama, 'di ba? Na sa tingin ko, pwede kang bilib kay Risa, pwedeng you don't agree with her. Actually, those of us who look at the statistics agree with her, who look at the budget item agree with her. Pero even if you don't disagree with Risa, no, you would think, okay, I either show data na mali siya, pero ang sagot niya kasi bakit niya ako ginaganyan? Humingi siya ng tulong sa akin nung nasa Davao ako.
Mm.
Transactional, hindi hindi principled yung approach 'no. So, habang useful ka dun sa tao, okey lang. 'Pag hindi ka na useful, ilalaglag ka at anytime. Walang loyalty
Mm.
ang ganiyang klaseng tao.
Mm.
And then to build a narrative, and her narrative was, "I'm so angry at the Marcoses." She would say something as irresponsible as, I would take him out of his grave and cut off his head."
Mm. Mm.
Right?
Mm.
So, may gano'ng aspects na medyo hindi siya normal kasi
Mm. Mm.
hindi tayo naglalaglag ng gano'n-gano'n lang. Hindi naman transactional ang tingin natin palagi. Certainly to, whether it's our friendships or other people, yung parang
Mm.
wala kang karapatan na i-criticize ang value ko kasi humingi ka ng tulong sa'kin. Walang relasyon yun, eh.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Kung mabuti ka ngang kaibigan ko, mula ako may ginagawa akong masama, sabihan mo rin nga ako, please.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Din guy dun sa ano, kasi na-refresh na naman tayo ni Father kanina sa kanyang mga pasabog. Hindi, actually hindi yung pasabog, alam na natin yung sasabihin niya. Pero medyo nakaka-bother kasi yung nagdi-discuss nga siya about killings, walang remorse sa Senado. At ginagawa niya tong joke at tumatawa naman yung mga ibang,
Mm.
even the senators and the audience and the
Oo,
people behind him, tumatawa sa mga ginagawa niyang joke, yung pagpatay, no?
oo,
Katulad ng binanggit mo na even psychologists and psychiatrists said sa case ni Trump that they've predicted na mag-i-incite to ng violence nung natalo
oo,
siya.
oo.
Ano yung mga, what could have been said, or maybe some of the psychologists did say noong 2016 na tumakbo si Digong
Mm,
as
mm,
presidente,
mm,
yan yung sinabi natin. Paano yung nag-manifest? Maliban, of course, EJK and all.
mm,
Paano yung nag-manifest dun sa presidency niya itong character problem ni
mm.
Duterte?
Sa alam mo, hindi naman dangerous ang isang taong may personality disorder kung hindi siya pinaniniwalaan at pinapanigan ng tao.
Mm.
May concomitant parang social psychology part, yung
Mm.
ganyang why do certain personalities, become dangerous.
Mm.
Kasi you can be so awful, but if nobody cares and nobody will obey you or follow you,
Mm.
then it's not dangerous for us, for others, 'di ba?
Mm.
Pero ang isa sa mga mal isang makikita mo, pinag-away-away niya talaga tayong mga Pilipino.
Mm. Mm.
Ah, first time yata na nahati ang mga pamilya. Swerte ako kasi di nahati ang pamilya ko hanggang
Bati na kami ng daddy ko, hindi na siya DDS. Nagising na
oo,
siya. Sabi ko nga, i-guest ko siya dito eh.
yes, ikaw pala isa ka sa mga gano'n 'no?
Yes.
Ang dami at, siguro ngayon nabati na kayo, happy ka, pero masakit yung panahon na yun siguro
Yeah.
para sa iyo, sa daddy mo rin, 'di ba? Kasi, ah, I'm sure ano,
Every
hin
family celebration is a debate.
oo, oo, tsaka siguro siguro naman hindi kayo like Father Digong and like Father Sara, siguro
No,
naman
no.
maayos ang relasyon ninyong magtatay, 'di ba? Nagmamahalan kayo, kaya ang hirap nung panahon na nagdedebate. Hindi lang ikaw nga, maraming pamilya na ganyan. At mabuti kayo ni tatay nagdedebate lang kayo, 'di ba? May mga
Mm.
pamilya hindi na nag-uusap, hindi na nagkikita. Ang hirap nung mga family reunion
Mm.
dahil yung mga ganyang personality, they will divide, they will polarize.
Mm. Mm.
At mahirap 'yan sa Pilipino kasi thank goodness 'no, hindi katulad ng ibang mga bayan na nagpapatayan sila tungkol sa relihiyon. Meron pa rin 'no, ayoko namang i-minimize yung difficulties halimbawa ng ating Muslim brothers and sisters na
Mm.
dahil sa difference nila sa religion marami talagang oppression. Pero hindi umaabot sa Pilipinas yung gano'ng levels na na talagang magpapasabog ng bomba sa
Yeah.
main center tapos ang daming namamatay tapos babawi yung kabila tapos Alam mo katulad nung nangyari sa halimbawa sa Ireland o yung
Mhm.
nangyayari sa India na ang away nila sa relihiyon ay umaabot talaga sa napakagrabeng mga eksena ano.
Mm.
So, wala tayong gano'n, wala naman tayong away ng race katulad ng nangyari halimbawa sa South Africa. Hindi tayo gano'n hindi naman tayo anghel 'no, pero
Yes.
hindi gano'n, hindi tayo divided, pero nakuha niyang i-divide tayo as a population
Mm. Mm.
within families 'no. Tapos, around killing. So, may social psychology part 'yan kasi once nagsimula at gano'n mag-isip yung ano, yung ganiyang personality types, you're either with me or against me.
Mm.
Okay, so many people will fall into that, divide tapos dahil I guess both sides naman ay guilty kasi talaga namang, I can't accept that, I'm against you, you're a killer, eh, 'di ba? Pero the other
Mm.
side will say, wala na yung middle ground 'no, and it's usually that type of personality that causes that kind of laban, eh, 'no?